wow, this is a bright one. We have just changed rooms. We are on 4016. We're literally just down the hall from the medical center. We have the door that will go out to the embarkation or gangway. So we're just literally steps away. So let's just check out our new cabin.
Hey.
Hi, Kirk.
Welcome to our new home.
Our new home away from home. Oh, wow. This is a bright one. We normally don't go very often in an ocean view, and it's because we do love balconies and sitting outside, but this is pretty bright as soon as you walk in, isn't it?
Very bright. And look at the size of the bed. A king size bed again.
Wow.
Which is nice.
Yes, it's like 2 full doubles on this king size. We've already had experience in our previous cabin, and I suggest that you look at that balcony tour for Stateroom 6076, and you'll see that it's the exact same bedding, exact same pillows, which are super comfortable. But just look, it's really quite spacious and bright in here. So you're getting a lot of the brightness from the ocean view.
Yeah, it's a pretty big window, and it has a little space up here to put stuff. We are keeping our backpacks and snorkel stuff. But yeah, very bright.
Yeah, I guess we could dry our shoes and stuff here too. So it's just almost like a little mini balcony. Okay, and on the side of the bed we have lights, we have reading lights, and we also have a USB plug underneath. We have side tables, which is super convenient. And
our new friends gave us these hooks, which is really nice and convenient for hanging your hats or bathing suits or something.
Exactly. And we also have a fairly large TV behind you, Kirk.
Yeah, pretty decent size.
Yep. And then we have other hooks that are just part of the room here. A really large mirror and desk space. And Kirk, if you can show everybody.
Yep, lots of drawers for storing stuff. Yep, we have it comes with a hairdryer as well. As with the Journey, it just has the regular American plugs and
the European plugs.
Okay.
We have a safe. The refrigerator. Is it stocked, Kirk?
Oh, you can only dream. Oh, I can't even. Oh, there you go. It's empty.
Ah.
And on this side, it's more shelves. And of course, over here, where a lot of people miss, is there's actually a little small drawer in the middle.
That's wonderful. That's super convenient. So in this ocean view room, we can see that we do have a connecting door. So I hope that I don't hear the neighbors through the door, because on some cruise ships it can be a problem. We have one little chair, but this turns into a bed. And we know that because we had seen it pulled out into a single bed. So this room actually accommodates 3 people. And then we have our table here, and then another side spot. And here's our USB plug, reading light, more hooks. So there's a lot of space here for storage. And nice big deep drawers. Life jackets. We've already thrown all of our shoes and laundry in here from the previous cruise. And we're here at 4016. Check out the washroom, which is extremely similar to what we just came from on the regular veranda balcony. So pardon the swimsuit, but we have a nice size bathroom. Kirk, can you take down the swimsuit and then I can get into the shower here? Good size, and the shower curtain actually reaches the bottom this time. The one thing that I really don't like though is that they provide you with these little bottles of shampoo, and it's really difficult when you're bathing to unscrew that and then not have the cap fall through. And I've noticed already in this bathroom that the toilet, the vacuum suction, but it keeps sounding like it's running. So if I don't flush it every hour, then you get the sound sensation of a running toilet. But you get a few things included. So you have the cotton balls, and we have the soap, the shampoo, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, it's pretty similar to all of the other cabins.
Yeah, it's very similar, good size, and surprisingly very bright.
It is. That's great. I think we'll be happy here for the next 2 weeks. And just the last scan. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested in seeing more room tours or anything on any other ship, please don't forget to subscribe, to like the content. We really do appreciate it. We are a small channel and every subscription helps. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.